Hey you guys, today I have a Father's Day gift basket for you, and this basket I picked it up at the dollar store, and I love the blue color. It is really a dark blue, and I thought it would be perfect. The first thing I'm going to add is some styrofoam just to lift some of the gifts in there. That's all it is for. I'm going to go ahead and add some tissue just to cover up that styrofoam and make it look nice and pretty. You can add any color of tissue of your choice with whatever basket color of your choice. I'm going to go ahead and add another piece of tissue. Just make it a little darker color just so it could blend in with the whole basket, because that blue is pretty light, so I kind of wanted to like darken the basket a little bit. So I'm going to add a dark blue piece of tissue, and that should be perfect to get started on this Father's Day basket. So I'm going to go ahead and add a couple of goodies. The first thing I'm adding is this vitamin C supplement drops. I picked these up at Target. I thought they would be perfect to just give to someone right now, especially when you need a little more vitamins in you. And this is perfect for a man who never takes vitamins, forgets to take his pills of vitamins. They just go ahead, put these in their car, take one once in a while, and it should be perfect for them. Easy peasy. The next thing I'm adding is this towel, and this is to clean your car. I picked this up at the dollar store, and I thought it would be perfect. They also have a different kind. Go ahead and check out my Instagram so I can show you the pictures I have, but I thought that would be perfect to clean your car. I also picked this up at the dollar store, and this is a piggy bank. Isn't this adorable? It says #1 dad, the one and only. So I thought that would be cool to give someone, and they have so many of them. That one was my favorite. I'm also going to go ahead and add some more towels to clean your car. You can never have enough, especially when you're a man, because you know they love to clean their car and keep it nice and looking good. So those were from the dollar store. I also picked up the Armor All Original, which you know is one of the best one out there, and I picked that up from the Dollar Tree, as well as the multi-purpose auto cleaner. So this one's really good as well. And then I also picked up the auto glass cleaner. So this is to clean the glass on the inside. You know how it gets really nasty from the inside, so you can go ahead and wipe that down, especially so you could see better. I thought it was so cool that they had all three of them, so I went ahead and I picked up all three. And they also had the towels, which is perfect for one of these Father's Day gifts. So go ahead and check something out if you want to go ahead and just see what they have out there. They have a ton of goodies. I also picked up a car air freshener. You can never have too many of those, especially, you know how the car gets, a little stinky. So those are great for the car. It just keeps it fresh and it smells good when you walk in there. I also picked up this portable screwdriver. This is so cool. I picked that up at the Dollar Tree, and those are good to have in your car as well as around your house. I picked up another air freshener. So I'm going to put that right in the back, and that is really cool. So I picked up as many as I could. They didn't have a ton. If not, I would have picked up some more, just so he has options and, just a little something. I wanted to fill up the basket and make it a little, I also grabbed a Amazon $50 gift card. I thought that would be very cool to put in this basket, since right now, the best way to shop is through ordering it online. So I thought the Amazon gift card would be perfect for this gift, and it looks great. And there you go. You have a beautiful Father's Day basket that any dad would like, any godfather, any grandfather, anybody who's a dad would love this gift basket. So this is for my husband, from me. I'm gonna go ahead and use my favorite ribbon that I always pick up in the dollar store, and I'm gonna go ahead and use the blue, which goes great with this basket. So make sure when you pick up your ribbon that you match it towards the basket. It's just a little tip that I love to use, and it makes your basket look really nice and really complete. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions. And go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I'll link the link down below. If you do end up making the basket, go ahead and tag me. I would love to see what you came up with. So there you go. I have my ribbon ready, and now I'm gonna go ahead and grab some bags because I am going to bag this up, and it's gonna look gorgeous when it's done. You could pick up your bags at the dollar store. They have them there. They're 2 for $1. In case you want to know, that is where I pick up my bags. Sometimes I order them on Amazon if I don't have time, because you get more than 2 and you make a bundle. Okay, so one of my tips is I like to pinch in the ends with some tape. You see how I did right there? I'm gonna go ahead and do the same to the other side. I'm just gonna pinch it in, add a little bit of tape, and that should make your basket look really nice and fitted. You want your basket to look nice and fitted and presentable, so when you're gonna give it to someone, they can't believe that you made it. They're gonna think that you brought it. The next step is to do the ribbon. So let me move up my camera just a little bit so you can see how I make it. I'm gonna go ahead and crunch it right there at the line. I'm gonna grab my ribbon and I'm gonna make a bow. Just a very simple bow should be perfect for this basket, nothing more, nothing less. Go ahead and grab it and tie it as tight as you can. Make your bow. And then another tip that I have that I always do is I cut a third off the top of the basket. That is a great tip because the basket, the top of it gets heavy and it'll weigh down your bag and it'll make it look ugly. So one great tip is just to cut it down, just a third of it. Go ahead and open it up with your hands and fluff it up, make it look very nice. And the basket should last there until you're ready to give it to whoever you're giving it to. And there you go, you guys. I am sharing my Father's Day gift basket for my husband. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you make your own. And until next time, bye, you guys.